All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Roman back again with another, POV drive. As you guys can see, today we are indeed. Yo, I hope this thing's straight. But yeah, we are indeed in the 235. Yeah, and man, I haven't driven this car in a minute too, man. And I hope you guys did enjoy the intro, of course. Really dope. Just thought of doing, something different when it comes to the intro. But yeah, man. Right now I'm on my way to Joburg. I need to go fix the lights. So golly, yo. Okay, hold on, chat. Let me quickly move this. Let's go. Got a 335 over there. Bro, is this wheel straight? I don't think so, Chad. Not sure if you guys can hear the spool, but man, whew. Man, this thing sounds good, bro. What the hell is that? Oh, where's the glass? I'm wondering, what the hell is that noise? How much horsepower are we pushing though? I feel like this car needs to ride too, bro. That glass is so mad annoying, bro. Damn, bro, them Range Raptors be something mad. Bro, the new Raptors, like, they sound way too amazing, man. See the one in front, bro. It sounds too nice. Not gonna lie, chat. This thing sounds amazing. What the hell? Ah shit, here we go again. I think I'm gonna drop like two POVs this week because I still have to edit one POV that I did. So yeah, you're not gonna get some POVs from your boy more Roman. And bro, Chad, I think I already told you about that story, but yeah, the last time I was recording a POV drive, it turns out I wasn't really I didn't hit the record button. Oh, but I was so pissed, bro. It was, bro. Man, guys to love this car. Hopefully I don't get lost because I really don't. I know where I'm going, but I don't like know where I'm going. You feel me? I know the way there. But hopefully, you know what? I'm just gonna GPS it, bro. Bro, them. Yes, sir. I don't want to do anything so crazy because you don't know cops, especially around this time. So yeah, I'm not gonna do anything. Yo, what the hell? Let's go. Oh, this car sounds amazing, bro. What the hell? Bro, I swear, dog, like it's like there's plates in here or something. Kalama plate, dog. What the hell? Oh nah, I'm not sure if you guys can see the car that's coming behind, but damn, that thing look mean as hell. Oh, we're going to a tunnel, chat. We're going to a tunnel. Let's go. Hopefully, I think I'm gonna go in the slow lane. Hopefully, there's no truck in front of me. But yeah, if we're gonna go to tunnel, it's gonna sound nah, boy. It's gonna sound nah, boy. Boys. Bro, this thing accelerates like that quick, bro. Ah, shoot. Cut up, no hazy. No haze. Yeah. Ah, and I get right, stuck right in front of the freaking truck, bro. You know what? Can I make this cut? Probably can. Alright, tunnel, chat. Tunnel. I'm gonna slow it down a bit. Alright, let's slow it down. Ain't no car. Man, that was a good one. Bro. Golly. I need to stop driving like a madman, bro. Cannot see with the mirror. Look, you wanna buy 2 e-bike cars and test drive like an M4. Child, what do y'all think? Thinking of doing that. So I need to join the M2 and then from there I don't know. can't do. Yo, what the hell is going on with these birds, bro? I cannot see. I need to check this out. I'm not sure if I'm going the right way actually, but it did say I need to join the M2. So yeah, I think I'm going the right way. Yeah, M2 West. Yo, come on, gang. This is why I don't like going on the slow lane. That was illegal. Oh, those cops now. You see, chat. That's why I don't wanna, bro. I don't wanna be on this POV thing, bro. Like, bro. The day I get caught by the cops, it's chai, boy. It's chai. I'm telling y'all. But you know, we in Mozambique right now. Recording live from Mozambique. I am not in SA, bro. I'm in Mozambique. I'm in Zerman, like, see, cops right there. And if I with the polo, we leaving them, boy. We leaving them. With the polo? Yeah. Spolo tires, boy. I need to check the GPS for real this time before I get lost. Bro, I'm such a weird driver, like, man. Alright, I need to check the GPS though, for real. I don't even know what's going on. Bro, what the? Why is the truck? Alright, chat, let me check the GPS, bro, before I get lost. Alright, chat, going back to holding it with my head. It's shot. Oh my god, yeah, good. I think I'm off ramping right there. Yep. Man, this guy driving mad slow. WPOV or not, chat? Oh, that's where they sell the flowers. Yo, let me stop yapping, bro. Oh shoot! And somebody said this is the seatbelt thing. Nah, it's the airbag. I don't know why it keeps on flashing. I don't know why, but yeah. Alright, chat. I need to check the GPS again before I get lost. Chat. Mission failed. Going back home. And bro, I forgot it's 30 June, bro. For those of y'all that know, y'all know. So like most people are closed because, you know, 30 June. Feel me, chat. But anyways, man, I hope you guys did enjoy this POV drive. We're gonna end it over here. There was a W drive, not gonna lie. But yeah, other than that, chat, we chilling, we cooling. Let me know what y'all think about, you know, I don't know, bro, but yeah. I hope you guys did enjoy this one, bro. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and one more pool. Bro, I hate driving with one hand, bro. Alright, let's see. Can you get one more pool?